What if an AI could find you freelance clients, write the perfect proposal to win the job, and then write the code for you? Today we are building an automated AI freelance agency. Welcome to Naga Automates. You have learned amazing Python and AI skills on this channel. Today I am going to show you how to monetize them using CrewAI. The logic is simple. We are creating 3 AI employees, a sales consultant to write the Upwork pitch, an architect to calculate the budget and timeline, and a developer to write the starter code. Install required libraries. Let's start. We import OS so we can access environment variables like API keys stored on our computer. Here we import CrewAI classes to create agents, define tasks, and organize them into a workflow. Next, we import the Gemini model wrapper to use Google's AI for text generation. Import load.env to load environment variables from .env file. Here we set our Gemini API key and we initialize the Gemini model that our agents will use to think and write. Here we are going to create our 3 agents for freelance agency. We create our first agent called proposal writer. This agent's role is to act like a top Upwork freelancer who writes proposals. The goal defines what the agents should achieve. The backstory gives personality and context to the agent. This lets us see detailed logs of what the agent is doing. We connect the agent to our Gemini LLM. Here we create the second agent called technical architect. This agent acts like a senior technical planner. The goal is to plan the project details. The backstory helps the AI understand its tone and expertise. Here we create third agent called lead developer. This agent's role is to write starter code for the project. The goal is to produce clean, ready-to-run code. The backstory gives the agent a professional mindset. This is mock Upwork job description. Here we define a sample client job description using triple quotes multi-line text. Here you can also use our extract web page function to extract the job description. Next, define the tasks. We create the first task for the proposal writer. The task tells the agent exactly what to do. Expected output defines what kind of output we expect. Here we assign this task to the proposal writer agent. Here we create the second task for the technical architect. The task explains what the architect should produce. Expected output, a clear and structured plan. We create the third task for the lead developer. The task tells the developer to write starter code. Expected output, readable and commented code. This we assigned to the lead developer agent. Assemble the freelance crew. Now we create a crew to organize all agents and tasks. We list all our agents here. We list all tasks that need to be completed. We tell CrewAI to run tasks one after another in sequence. We print a message to show the process has started. This triggers all agents to perform their tasks step by step. Finally, we print the combined output from all agents, the proposal, plan and code. Save the file and run the script. The sales agent writes a brilliant pitch. The architect breaks it down to 15 hours at $50 per hour. The developer writes the beautiful shop boilerplate. You just copy, paste and win the client. This is the ultimate side hustle. From here you can copy and paste. Subscribe to Naga Automates.